In today's video, we got something special, man. We got all these mods for the RTR, including the 6.7 kit, some little mods like the new seat cover, some brakes, and suspension work, little mods that you guys love to see on the bike. And stay tuned for the whole video to show you guys all the mods and everything, test out the app, test out everything. Alright, so let's get ready to install everything. Today for it, we have suspension, two little essentials to everybody through the 6.7 kit. I got the mod speed motor, so it gives you like 67 speed. This is all the little parts it has in it. I got a little more like little mods for my new brake pads for sure. Stop that power pads in there too. Can't wait to show you guys what's up. And I have, of course, got seat cover. You guys love to see that. And if you guys want to see more different mods for this bike, let me know. But I think right now it's literally gonna be one of the best RTRs out there for sure. You guys already know I have my little brake. And the next upgrade for sure that I want to do this is the battery, but that's after time because I just got a new bike and I have all these new parts that just waste a lot of money. And so can't wait. Hope you guys like, subscribe, and keep supporting me. And thank you guys. RTR game. RTR game, you heard? You guys can see definitely the difference of the motor. This one, the new motor, the high-speed motor, is definitely more beefier, more bigger. It looks more capable of, supposedly the heat and pushing 13 kilowatts. So, I'm showing you guys the size. This is a little big controller. Showing you guys how to install it on the template. They give you this syringe with two little fingers, so you can put the little metal thing adhesive on it, and yeah. This is the old controller for the RTR. This is a new controller. I'm just showing you guys the size difference. It's kind of, letting you guys know what you guys getting, what you guys paying for, and it's worth it or not. Honestly, it's worth it because you guys have a new app you guys can install. If you guys have the regular RTR, it's pretty much so easy. If you guys have the lights too, it's just a different template to use. Yeah, I have a new suspension on it too, so I'm excited to show you guys and actually to enjoy riding. But it's so cold outside. This is the full transformation of the RTR, man.